Hi, it's Steve again from AA Solar. This afternoon I'm in Karaka with my client Shannon at his home, and today we're just going to have a look at Shannon's hybrid battery ready solar system, and Shannon's going to tell you a bit about how it's working out for him.
Thanks, Steve. Yeah, basically we wanted to maximise the roof and put as much solar generation on there as possible. So we went with 21 panels, about enough panels for 11 kilowatts of generation, and we've got 10 kilowatts of inverters, a couple of inverters there, and yeah, you know, because we've got a lot of devices in the home, we've got 5 air conditioners, and in time to come we'll have electric cars. So yeah, we're really looking forward to what the clean energy can bring us and the savings that come with that. One of my hobbies is crypto mining, and particularly works in well with solar. So during the day, I'm pretty much mining for free, power cost, and the system of this size, it actually generates more power than I can use with my crypto mining. In fact, when this is going at peak, this powers the whole house plus all my crypto machines, and still has excess. So that's great.